Welcome to Understand All. I'm your host, Aslakir Gerleaf, and today we're embarking on an exhilarating journey to explore the captivating world of Mars colonization. So buckle up, grab your spacesuit, and let's blast off into the realm of interplanetary exploration. Picture this, waking up to a breathtaking view of the rusty red Martian landscape stretching out before you. It might sound like science fiction, but the dream of colonizing Mars is edging closer to reality with each passing day. But before we pack our bags and bid farewell to Earth, let's dive into the fascinating challenges and opportunities that await us on the red planet. First things first, let's talk about the sheer scale of this endeavor. Mars isn't exactly a hop, skip, and a jump away. At its closest approach, Mars is still a staggering 54.6 million kilometers from Earth. To put that into perspective, that's like circling Earth 360 times. According to NASA, a one-way trip to Mars using current technology would take about 6 to 9 months. Imagine being cooped up in a spacecraft for that long, with nothing but the vast expanse of space outside your window. It's like the ultimate cosmic road trip, minus the pit stops and snack breaks. But let's say we make it to Mars in one piece. What kind of environment can we expect to find? Well, let's just say it's not exactly a tropical paradise. NASA data reveals that the average temperature on Mars is a bone-chilling 62 degrees CC. And if you thought Earth's weather could be unpredictable, Mars takes it to a whole new level. Temperatures can swing from a frigid 125 degrees Celsius in the winter to a balmy 20 degrees Celsius in the summer. It's like living in a cosmic freezer with occasional bursts of warmth. And let's not forget about the atmosphere. Mars's atmosphere is composed of 95% carbon dioxide, which isn't exactly ideal for us oxygen-loving Earthlings. Imagine trying to take a deep breath on Mars. It would be like trying to inhale through a straw while running a marathon. We'd need some serious life support systems to survive in that environment. But here's where things get really interesting. Mars has only 38% of Earth's gravity. At first glance, that might sound like a dream come true. Imagine being able to jump higher, run faster, and lift heavier objects with ease. It's like having superhero powers. But before we get too excited, let's consider the long-term effects on our bodies. Our muscles, bones, and even our hearts would adapt to this reduced gravity environment. We'd essentially be evolving into Martians. Now, you might be wondering, but what about water? Isn't that essential for life? You're absolutely right. And here's the good news. We've found evidence of water on Mars. But it's not exactly flowing in abundance like it is on Earth. In 2018, the European Space Agency confirmed the presence of a liquid water lake beneath the southern polar ice cap. It's like discovering a hidden oasis in the middle of a desert. Exciting, but not exactly easy to access. But even if we figure out the water situation, there's another major hurdle we'd have to overcome: radiation. Mars lacks a magnetic field like Earth's, leaving its surface exposed to dangerous cosmic rays. It's like living in a place with a constant invisible threat looming over you. We'd need some seriously advanced shielding technology to protect ourselves from this silent but deadly hazard. And let's not forget about the communication challenges. Imagine trying to have a conversation with someone on Earth while you're on Mars. According to NASA, the communication delay between the two planets ranges from 3 to 22 minutes, depending on their relative positions. It's like playing the universe's most frustrating game of telephone. Hey Earth, can you send more snacks? Sure thing, Mars. Expect them in about 6 months. But amidst all these challenges, there are glimmers of hope and excitement. Take NASA's MOXIE experiment, for example. In 2021, this incredible device successfully produced oxygen from the Martian atmosphere for the first time. It's a small step, but a giant leap towards making Mars habitable for humans. Imagine being able to breathe the air on another planet. It's like something straight out of a science fiction novel. And let's not forget about the potential economic benefits of Mars colonization. Sure, the scientific and technological advancements are exciting, but there's also a whole new world of opportunities waiting to be explored. From resource extraction to space tourism, the possibilities are endless. Who knows? Maybe one day we'll be sipping Martian-grown coffee while watching the sunrise over Olympus Mons, the solar system's tallest mountain. But as we dream about this exciting future, we must also consider the ethical implications. How do we ensure that we don't contaminate Mars with Earth's microbes? Who gets to decide who goes to Mars and who stays behind? And what about the ownership and governance of this new world? These aren't just scientific questions, but philosophical ones that challenge our very understanding of what it means to be human in the universe. But perhaps the most compelling reason to pursue Mars colonization isn't just the scientific or economic benefits. It's the sheer inspiration it provides. The idea of humans setting foot on another planet, of extending our reach beyond Earth's boundaries, has the power to unite us as a species. It's a reminder that we are capable of achieving the impossible, of pushing the limits of what we thought was possible. And who knows what discoveries await us on the red planet? Maybe we'll find evidence of past microbial life, or even current life forms thriving in the harsh Martian environment. Maybe we'll uncover secrets about the origins of our solar system, or even the universe itself. The possibilities are as vast and exciting as the Martian horizon. But as we ponder these questions and dream about the future, let's not forget the incredible progress we've already made. From the first telescopes that allowed us to glimpse the red planet to the rovers that have explored its surface, we've come a long way in our understanding of Mars. And with each passing day, we're taking steps closer to making the dream of Mars colonization a reality. So what can we do to support this incredible endeavor? For starters, we can stay informed and engaged. Follow the latest news and updates from NASA and other space agencies. Share your excitement with others and inspire the next generation of explorers and dreamers. And who knows, maybe one day you could be among the first humans to set foot on Mars. But even if you don't end up donning a spacesuit and blasting off to the red planet, there's still so much we can learn from the pursuit of Mars colonization. It's a reminder that we are all part of something bigger, that our actions and decisions have consequences that extend far beyond our own lives. It's a call to think critically, to question assumptions, and to never stop exploring the wonders of the universe around us. So as we wrap up today's episode, I want to leave you with a final thought. Mars colonization isn't just about reaching a new world. It's about expanding our understanding of what it means to be human. It's about pushing the boundaries of what's possible and daring to dream big. And whether we ultimately succeed in making Mars our second home or not, the journey itself is worth every step. Thank you for joining me on this exhilarating exploration of Mars colonization. Until next time, keep your eyes on the stars and your feet on the ground. And remember, the universe is waiting for us to uncover its secrets, one red planet at a time.